lista.
Ayun po, napakabuti ni Heart. Si Ma'am Heart, ayun yung nakilala kong may pinanganak na may gintong kutsara sa labi. Kasi bata pa lang po ako, nakikita ko na siya sa... Nag-work ako sa iyo
Singing.
Ang babait ng mga...
Anong tawag doon? Singing
Cooks and
waiters. Oo.
Ang babait nila, mga si Miss Love, si Miss Soen, si Miss Happy, ayan si Miss Heart.
Oo, mga kaibigan din natin yan. Si Happy is a good friend.
Naging,
So, paano nalaman ni Heart? Paano kayo nag-usap?
Tumawag yung PA niya kay RJ Prank manager ni Alan Kay. Tapos ayun, nag-connect na kami.
Nag-usap kayong dalawa?
Opo. At tas monthly na po ako binabiyayaan.
Alam ko na buwan-buwan ay may ibinibigay sa iyo si Heart. Maraming salamat, Heart.
Heart, thank you so much.
Naging bisita namin dito si Ate Gay.
Yes.
Yeah, and of course, I didn't even connect you and Ate Gay, pero sobrang naantig ang aming mga puso nung kanyang sinabi na sinusuportahan mo siya buwan-buwan. He actually told me the amount in private, but thank you.
Actually, nagulat ako na binanggit niya. Kasi we've never met like after. And never kami nag-usap talaga. Trivia, yung sinabi niya nag-usap kami, kausap niya yung assistant ko. Tapos, after that, kinuusap niya ako. Gusto lang niya magpasalamat, pero hindi niya alam na ako yun. Kasi, Tito Boy, for me, it's sad, but I've not given so much thought of it. But, there's always going to be color in whatever we do as public people. But my points in heaven are far more important. Again, I said earlier in the show, now you see, now you don't. One day, this can be a backtrack of how I was at a specific time. Life is too short. Mas importante sa akin yung points ko sa heaven. So, nagulat ako na sinabi niya. But, of course, like what I said, thankful ako na wala akong binubuhay na pamilya talaga. Na okay naman ang mga magulang ko. Pero, may anak ako, pero technically, yung talagang responsibilidad ko talaga sarili ko Lahat ng kung anong meron ako. And, dressing up isn't just para maging fashionista ka. I'm dressing up because I'm dressing up something that's more valuable, which is my soul. And so, really, I do what I do is because I have my own goals in life. And I felt uncomfortable na sinabi niya, pero salamat din kasi iba rin pala marinig na nagpapasalamat sa tao. Kasi most of the time, people don't really know it's me. So I really appreciate it.